look at our oregano and how much it bloomed this year. And now all these blooms have turned into seed heads. And if you can see them, but if you just spread all this, that there's just lots of seeds here. Well, that's really nice, and I'll probably keep some of them, but we don't want that many seeds to come up in this garden, so we're going to cut these off at this time. And what I'm going to do is take off the whole stalk down to the green plant, because the green plant will stay evergreen in the winter here in Zone 7. So I just come in and cut them off at the place where they're coming out of the green. There. Now it's a nice evergreen mound for the winter.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.